What if I told you that you could burn more fat than a 30-minute jog in the time it takes to sneeze? Yeah, 3 seconds. That's all it takes. Sounds impossible, right? But a groundbreaking study from Japan just flipped the entire fitness world upside down. No gym, no gear, no sweat. Just 3 seconds of pure effort that keeps your metabolism burning like a rocket for up to 48 hours. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this works, how to do it safely, and why those 3 seconds might be the most powerful health investment of your life. Let's rewind for a second. Think about it. Modern fitness has convinced us that the longer we sweat, the better the results. 30 minutes on the treadmill, 40 minutes lifting weights, hours counting calories. And yet, obesity rates have never been higher. People are exhausted, discouraged, trapped in routines that burn their motivation faster than their fat. But what if we've misunderstood how the human body actually burns energy? Because the truth is, your body doesn't respond to time. It responds to intensity. And one team of scientists decided to test this idea in a way no one had before. At the University of Tokyo, researchers gathered a group of volunteers and split them into 2 camps. The first group did what we've all been told to do: 30 minutes of cardio every single day. The second group? They didn't jog, they didn't lift, they didn't even sweat. All they did was a single 3-second maximal resistance push once a day. That's it. 3 seconds. The results? After just 6 weeks, the lazy group, the ones who barely moved, were burning over 100 extra calories a day, just sitting still. Their metabolism had shifted gears. How? Because of something your biology textbooks probably skipped: EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. EPOC is like your body's secret afterburn mode. Imagine slamming your car's gas pedal to the floor for 3 seconds. When you let go, the engine doesn't just cool off immediately. It keeps running, adjusting, burning fuel to stabilize. Your muscles, your lungs, your cells, they do the same thing after a burst of full effort. That recovery phase, it's energy hungry. It demands oxygen. It burns fat long after you've stopped moving. So what the University of Tokyo uncovered wasn't a shortcut. It was a biological cheat code, a reminder that your body was built for moments of intensity, not endless repetition. And here's where it gets wild. This afterburn effect can last up to 48 hours. That means your body keeps burning calories while you're eating, working, even sleeping. Now, imagine stacking that effect day after day, 3 seconds a day. Compound that for a week, a month, a year, and suddenly you've built a metabolic furnace that never shuts off. So how do you trigger this incredible effect? It's called the ISO hold. Find something unmovable, a wall, a door frame, a towel looped around a post. Take a deep breath and push or pull with everything you've got. Not half effort, not kinda strong. I'm talking 100% intensity. 3 seconds. Then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat 5 times. That's it. 90 seconds total. Try it while your coffee brews, between emails, during that awkward Zoom silence. No gym, no excuses, just 3 seconds of controlled fury. You'll feel it, the surge, the heat, the strange satisfaction of giving everything for a heartbeat. And maybe, just maybe, you'll feel something else too: control. Because this isn't just about looking lean, it's about feeling alive again. Another study, published in the Journal of Aging Research, discovered something incredible. Those same microbursts of maximal effort protect your fast-twitch muscle fibers, the very ones that keep you strong, fast, and youthful. Most people start losing these fibers after age 40. That's why climbing stairs feels harder, why muscles weaken, why people feel older. But participants who practiced short, explosive effort saw a 20% increase in grip strength in just 8 weeks. Their mobility improved, their balance returned. It wasn't just fat loss, it was rejuvenation. You're not just burning calories, you're turning back the biological clock. Think about that for a moment. 3 seconds to fight aging. 3 seconds to awaken your strength. 3 seconds to remind your body it's not done yet. Here's how to build it into your day. Morning routine. While your coffee brews or you wait for your breakfast toast, do 5 ISO holds. Evening routine. Right before dinner or while Netflix plays its intro, do 5 more. That's it. No sweat, no mess, just micro moments of mastery that ignite your metabolism, strengthen your muscles, and wake up your energy. And yes, it feels strange at first, but so does flossing. You still do that, right? Because consistency, not intensity, creates transformation. But here's the twist that almost no one talks about. What if when you eat matters more than what you eat? That late-night healthy snack, that protein shake right before bed, they might actually be sabotaging your fat loss. In the next episode, we'll break down a shocking study that proves meal timing, not calories, controls your metabolic switch. So if you've been doing everything right and still not seeing results, it's not your fault. You've just been running on the wrong clock. So, are you in? Drop a hockey emoji in the comments if you're testing the ISO hold today. Or type "convince me" and I'll reply personally with the actual research. If you love short, science-backed hacks that actually work, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Episode 4 is coming, and it might flip everything you believe about dieting upside down. Because in the end, this isn't about the 3 seconds. It's about what those 3 seconds mean. A moment where you choose effort over excuses. A spark that turns fatigue into momentum. A tiny act that says, "My health still matters." 3 seconds. That's all it takes to start rewriting your story. And somewhere in the future, your stronger, healthier, unstoppable self is already clapping for you.